Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. It's Faith back again with another video. If anyone new is here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an reveal of my new glasses and an unboxing of my little package that I got. So I'm gonna show you my old glasses, and I finally got my new glasses. I'm so happy about it because my old glasses was in a real state. So let me show you the old one. Don't laugh. So these are my old glasses. I know, crusty, right? So what had happened was,
see what had happened at first was
my glasses was on my bed and I like threw myself on the bed, and then this part broke off. So I tried numerous times. Anyone personally that knew me, my friends, my boyfriend, my family, knew that
I tried to do this back like 60 million times.
See how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
This wasn't going back, so that's why he is so
good. So I had this glasses a pretty long while. I ordered it from Amazon. I also have another one like it, but I didn't want it because I find like the shape is too big and it presses on my cheeks, so I wanted something different. Yes, I had this pretty long, got it from Amazon for like $2 I think, and it lasted its course. It really did. So I'm gonna put it on to show you all how it is. So it's kind of fuzzy because of the scratches, and I think my next glasses is a higher strength because I had to upgrade my glasses like about 2 years glasses that I've been using in some of my videos, but it was glued on. So this is the side of it. Completely gone. And this is the next side. So now I'm going to show you my new glasses and what I got in my little package. So these are my new glasses. So it's a kind of purplish color. I wanted a kind of like a tiger one, like a kind of tiger print, but my mom said that this one looked better. So what do you think? How do you find it looks? So I got these glasses. I got it from Ferreira Optical, which is one of the eyewear companies in Trinidad. There are many, and I'm a customer of Ferreira for the longest while. I got all my glasses there. I even get my contacts from there. And for anyone that's wondering, that watched my previous videos, yes, I cut down my nails because this one broke, and I have OCD for nails. Like if a nail break or nail come off, which has never happened to me before, I cannot deal with having all these long and then this one broken, or one gone or broken. I don't like that. I find that's a girl tacky. And you know, I was real stressing on myself because I was like, you know, I don't really like how that looking, etc. And then I went somewhere on Wednesday and I had this girl, she only had these two nails. These too long, all this gone. Not even the nail was here. Her bare nail. This hand had like one on it. I don't know how people just walk around with 2 or 3 nails on. I can't do that. So I had this one there with these long for the past few days, but then I just got fed up of them, honestly, and they were kind of long, and then I kept like hitting them on things. Like recently I hit this one when it was longer and it just really hurt, and I was like, let me just cut it out. So I cut it down and I'm leaving it like this till I build up myself to take it off, because I take them off for myself and it's kind of a long process. So I just cut it down for this for a little while. So I'm going to show you what I got in my little package. So this is a little package that they gave me, and in the package I have a little eyewear warranty card, and they say the warranty is for a year. So they have the model of the frame, I guess, and the color, yeah, is purple, and it's a 1-year warranty, and apparently I have to go and service it in November. So that comes in this little bag. And then I have a lens cleaner. So she said that I can clean the lens with squeezy, which is dishwashing liquid. So the directions for use is to apply cleaner to both sides of lenses, wipe clean with non-abrasive cloth, safe and effective on any lens or coating. So my glasses has an anti-reflective coating on it. The guy that was like checking out the shape of my face and stuff, he said to get the anti-reflective coating on it, so that because I think it's my left eye or my right eye is weaker than the left, so the lenses have to be a little thicker, and the anti-reflective coating would not make the lens appear very thick. Because if you look at the lens, it actually looks pretty thin, but it's kind of thick because of I think I have astigmatism in one of my eyes, I'm not sure. Yeah, so that was extra money, yeah. That hiked up the price. So yeah, these are my little spray from Ferreira's to spray and clean it, and she also said I can use squeezy. So we have the guarantee, and then I was actually going to order a case from online. So good thing I didn't order it yet. I got a glasses case. Got this glasses case. I mean, it's not very pretty, but whatever. So the name of the case is Runway Eyewear, and this is inside the case. This is what inside looks like, and then you have a little cloth to clean the glasses and whatnot. And she said when I'm not wearing the glasses to place it in the case. And I think that is what I don't usually do, and what I didn't do with my previous glasses. I did not put it in the case when I wasn't wearing it, and it got pretty scratchy and stuff. So I'm gonna try to do better with this one, because I ain't have money to be changing glasses right through. So although I saw a website online that I can order from, and like it's really cheap and you can get the glasses and stuff, but this whole ordering process and my shipping company is like really hiking our prices. So I don't even know if I want to order anything right now, because for my Shein clothing haul it costs like, well, it wasn't too bad in my opinion, but I heard a lot of people saying that the shipping company that I use, they are extremely expensive right now. I don't know if it's due to COVID or if customs like hiked up their prices or whatever the case is, but like simple things you have to pay like a whole set of money. So I'm pretty iffy to order things, because the first time I used them, I ordered like 2 things and I only had to pay like $45 to clear it. And this time I ordered like 8 things and I had to pay $227 to clear it. And yeah, a lot of complaints have been seen on social media about the company, so I don't know what it is. But I mean, of course I want to order new things, so I may use my boyfriend's shipping company or just continue to use it, I'm not sure. So yeah, that was my little unboxing segment of my new glasses. So yeah, these are my new glasses. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Bye.